You can open and close applications, switch between them, and arrange multiple windows on your desktop just by using your voice. This functionality is particularly valuable for anybody who has difficulty using a mouse or keyboard. You may also find it helpful to know how people use voice access in this way if you're a designer or developer. To open any application, use the command open, followed by the name of the application. For example, you could say, open Word, switch to Edge, open Calculator. You can also say start or show instead of open. So start Word or show Word would work just as well. Voice access is quite intelligent about application names. You don't need to use the exact full name. Saying Open Word will find Microsoft Word, and Open Edge will launch the internet browser. You can use the same approach to close any applications you have open. To switch between open applications, say Switch to, followed by the application name. For example, switch to Word. You can also use the command go to, followed by the name of the application, such as go to Edge. This is useful when you have multiple applications open and you want to move between them. Using voice access, you can minimize, maximize, restore, and arrange the different application windows that you have open. To minimize a window you're currently working in, use the command minimize window. To minimize a specific application, use the minimize command, followed by the app name. For example, minimize Word. Maximizing windows works in the same way. If you need to restore a minimized window, say restore window, or restore followed by the application name. You can also say minimize all windows, which will minimize everything you have open and take you to your desktop. Use the command show task switcher to open the interface that shows all your open windows. You can then ask voice access to move to the window you want to go to with the commands that control the arrow keys, such as press right, press left, press up, press down, and press enter. You can also use the command list all windows or show all windows to achieve the same result. To get to your desktop, you can use the command go to desktop or go home. Voice access includes powerful window snapping features. You can use the command snap window to left or snap window to right to snap the current window to either side of your screen. You can also snap to corners by saying snap window to top left or snap window to top right. Voice access also integrates well with Windows search functionality. You can search for files or applications by using the command search followed by the name of the application or file you're looking for. For example, search calculator. There's even built-in web search capability. You can use the commands such as search for the weather forecast. Voice access will open your default browser and perform the search automatically. Learning to use voice access commands takes time and practice. Try opening, closing, and switching between applications to get comfortable with the commands covered in this video. Continue to build your knowledge of the available commands gradually. In our next video, we'll explore how to interact with applications, for example, by clicking buttons, expanding menus, and navigating interfaces. Remember, you can watch these videos in any order depending on what you need to learn. Feel free to jump to the topics most relevant to you.